Gravitation is the phenomenon of attraction between any two bodies of the universe. For example, if we release a stone from a height, it accelerates towards the surface of Earth. You just assume height as a building. From the top of the building, if we release a small stone, it hits the ground. It accelerates towards the surface of Earth. This means the force which pulls the object towards the center of the Earth is known as gravitational force of the Earth. So, gravitation is the phenomenon of attraction between any two bodies of the universe. Gravity is one particular case of gravitation when one of the two bodies attracting bodies is Earth. Hence, gravity is the phenomenon of attraction between Earth and any other body. The force of attraction exerted by Earth on the body is called force of gravity. The force of gravity is calculated using universal law of gravitation.